Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. My plans today is to go down to the flat and we're going to smash up sheds, hutchies, and then we're going to load the van and take it to the big bonfire that we will be burning. So let's get right into it. Going down. See what sheds we need to knock down for the bonfire. Because it's like shanty town. This I think going, this I think going, that I think going, and so far, yep, we've got to be smashing these up. I've smashed it up. That thing I was smashing up, I think it's a shed or something. Oh, it's what we used when we had the pigs. I'm going to the cabin to get 3 cans of Coke and my partner's flavoured water because I'm out of breath, my arms are tired from that pole, but still loads to do. By donkeys. I'm walking to the burn pit and I'll show you where it's going. Yes. That on that big massive pile. Well, we was about to head back to the bonfire and my cat has gone missing. She has to be in the caravan because of all the fireworks that's been going off. So I've got biscuits and I'm walking down the yard. Eliza! Found her. Come on then. The guy is here and we're going to walk to the bonfire now and just wait for him to light it. I'm at least 15 foot away and you can feel the heat from here. See it? And there's fireworks, but it's not much of the fireworks display this year. This is the first bonfire I've been to, and it's down at allotment itself. That's it for the bonfire vlog, and I hope you liked my content. Please subscribe if you do. If not, that's cool. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell. Ding ding. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.